First of all, zero all the gauges. This is activator gauge, you have to make it 0. Now this is adhesive gauge, pump gauge, you have to make it 0. Now you have to make this lever to the middle portion, and you have to increase the air pump. Then I have to release the air into the top portion, so you have to turn on the valve. Now you have to increase the pump extraction air to this red level and slightly move it up so the ram can come out, the piston can come out. So you see that it's going up. Do it slowly both ways so it comes out not too fast, and then slowly increase the pressure, that try to build up the air inside and ramp up. So if you see it too fast now, you can go down a little bit, then come back up again. So now the ram is up. Now slowly remove this, so you don't want to touch the glue on this leather piston. So slowly remove this, and garbage, this is going to be very smelly, so make sure that you wear a mask and the gloves, and discard this in the bag because it's going to be very smelly. Now open this adhesive pail and use all the residue left over in the used pail and put it in the new one. So basically this will give to avoid any waste. And after using this, you should scrap those gloves and put a new one, and clean the area where you want to put the pail in. Now lift the pail and put it underneath, and you see the surface. You see the surface, rounded surface, make it to all the way in. Now close this valve, you don't need it anymore. Put the plastic right in the middle and open this relief valve. Now you ramp down, and this is the ramp pressure, so ramp down, slowly coming. Make sure that the liner doesn't move, it should be staying in the center, and you slowly bring it down. Then you can increase the pressure, but not to exceed more than this mark pointer. And try to purge both. This way you're doing the pump pressure, and you gradually increase the both pump pressure to the mark point, and the same way you do purging. But you need to see that you don't have any air in the system. In order to see that, you should turn the gun on manually in the manual mode. So, and if you see anything is not coming out, so you have to bleed it. So you have to turn, this is activator, so, and this is adhesive. So to bleed it, if you think there's air there, you have to bleed it out. And since it's solid, so it looks like no air. So you don't want to waste material, so bring it back and close it. This is another video. So another video with Pail, and I'm showing you that this is the same procedure to follow. So your middle portion, and slowly increase the RAM extraction. And so hold it, and the same way you have to increase the air inside. Otherwise Pail will come up with the piston. So you probably hold a little bit and try to move the RAM up, but you just need to watch, otherwise it will come so fast and may end up with some messy around. So you can also wiggle the Pail so it can come out easily. Or you can hold the Pail, hold the container, so it can come out easily. So now it's disconnected, so you can come fast. So easily remove the close this valve because you don't need it anymore, and bring the pressure down to 0. This is RAM extraction air, so you have to use it only when you're bringing the RAM up. So now put it to the middle, discard this used liner in the plastic bag, open the new adhesive container, this container is sealed and locked. There is a rubber underneath, so it's under a little pressure, so you have to slowly all the way turn it and bring to unlock. Used Pail also have some material inside, so you can use that. It's not a waste, so you can use so remove it with this club on and put it in the new Pail, so you can still use this. Make sure you have a pair of gloves handy and all those rags to clean up, and must wear a mask because the smell is really bad. Don't put your face on top of a open container because the vapors and smell is really bad. So, and also wear the mask. Now put the Pail into location. If any material you see under the seating, you must clean it with the rag like this, and you have to match this radius to the Pail bottom. I see. Now this is the liner. The inner circle has to be centered on our top of Pail, the opening of Pail, and it should be center and not like a not uneven, and should be flat. Now you open the relief valve and so bring it to 0 and slowly bring it down the ramp. This is ramp regulator. So now you increase slowly. Do not exceed from the marking point unless you really need to. If you go above the black point or the mark point, so you may end up the glue coming or passing through the piston. So you have to slightly go up, because if you see that it doesn't going down, then what you make sure nothing glue is coming out from the piston, but go back to the position. So it looks good, no glue is coming out. Now increase the pump pressure both gradually. And okay, turn off this valve. Right. Go here in manual mode, and go to view IO, and there's a gun on button. So turn the gun on.